Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we study about water pressure. We observed that the speed of water from a tank coming out of tap on ground floor is greater than the speed of water coming out of the tap on upper story of our house. Actually, water contained in the tank exerts pressure on its walls. The speed of the water coming out of the tap depends upon the water pressure in the tank. Moreover, the water pressure of the tap depends upon the height of the water tank above the ground floor. That is why the water tanks are placed on the roof of the top floor. This pressure is transmitted through the pipes to the tap. We will study different characteristics of water pressure or liquid pressure with the help of following activities. Material required: 1.5 liter plastic bottle, iron nail, insulation tape, meter rod, and procedure is punch three holes at different heights on the side of plastic bottle using a nail as shown in figure. Close these holes by plastic insulation tape. Fill the bottle with water up to brim and place it on the floor. Remove the tape and observe the ejection of water out of three holes. Note the distance of the streams of water coming out of various holes from the bottle. Note the angle which each stream of water makes with the surface of the vessel at its emerge out of the hole. Does water flow out of all the hole with the same speed and pressure? And second one question is, in what direction does water come out of the holes? We can infer from this activity that the greater the depth of the water in the vessel, the greater is the pressure of water, such as liquid pressure, which increase with the depth of the liquid in a container, is called hydrostatic pressure. Do you know why the spouting wall of a dam is built very broad at the bottom? We also see that water comes out of the hole in a direction perpendicular to the surface of the bottle. This shows that hydrostatic pressure always acts perpendicular to the surface. Interesting information. Water pressure increased by 10,000 PA for every 1 meter down in a lake or in an ocean. That is why the divers feel an increase of pressure on their eardrums even a few meters below the surface of water. The deeper you go underwater, the greater the pressure of the water pushing down on you. Next, we have liquid pressure in closed container. The liquids or fluid filled in a closed container exert pressure equally in all directions. This can be seen by the following activity, in which material required is a plastic bottle fitted with a piston at its mouth. Water tube. Procedure: take a plastic bottle fitted with a piston at its mouth. Make a few holes in the bottle at different places as shown in figure. Dip the round part of the bottle in the water contained in a tube or vessel and pull the piston or plugger out to fill the bottle with water. Take the bottle out of the tub and push the piston or plugger in the bottle. Observe the water flowing out the hole in the bottle, and the question is, does water flow out of all the hole with the same pressure? We observe that this activity, that pressure is exerted on fluid enclosed in a vessel, is transmitted equally in all directions. This fact was first time discovered by Pascal and is called Pascal's law. Pascal's law is only applied to the fluid filled in a closed vessel. The branch of science which deals with the transmission of fluid pressure through pipes or a source of mechanical force is called hydraulics. Such systems are often used to produce a large force with the help of small force. For your information, a force applied on the fluid at smaller piston increases many times when it is transmitted to the fluid at the bigger piston. This is due to the large cross-sectional area of the bigger piston. All the hydraulic system work on the principle. So today lecture is end. I hope you understand my lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.